Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. In this video, how to change color with Magic Wand tool. Okay, let's begin. Go to File, Open, and open your project. Open this project. Okay, then click the Magic Wand tool. Right click, select Magic Wand tool. Best select multiple and click white background. Again click, again use perfectly. Okay, then this tool is selected one color for best work tool. Okay, then select the color palette, edit color. I added this color. Then hold Alt, press backspace, or click the apex color. Oh, sorry. Okay, and again change the color. Hold Alt, press backspace. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.